Paranda, Chuda, Wage, Kalire, Gitta, Bhangra. There's nothing like a Punjabi shadi in Punjab. And everyone in Patiala is talking about this mega wedding. Because it has all of this and much more. So today I'm going to be part of Suhab and Zorawar's Bachpan ki love story. So kao, ahu, ahu, oh, ahu, 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 oh, ahu.
My name is Darpan. I'm the bride's bestest friend.
My name is Shirvir Man. Zorawar is my paternal aunt's son.
I'm Jai Singh. I'm Suhab Dhaliwal's brother, the bride. So this is the stage.
1, 2, 3.
Don't I look too good?
So Suhab is a complete pataka for sure. And she's a moody pataka. So she one time she'll burst with anger, and then other times she'll be like so happy, so bubbly.
Me and Suhab as children were very violent children. We used to fight a lot. She even broke my nose, I think, about 4 times. When we grew up, we turned more mature, we grew more mature. And now we don't fight that much, that violently. We do fight, but it's more verbal than physical.
We've been friends for the longest time. Her parents are like parents to me. My parents are like parents to her. I know her whole entire family.
Zorawar is very like बहुत ही caring, बहुत lovely person है, बहुत लेकिन ऐसे नहीं मतलब कि एकदम गुस्सा आ जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ जाता है एकदम, ऐसा लगेगा वो भी कुछ मतलब कि वो विले बैठा रहता है, आलसी भरा हुआ लाइक ऐसा ही है वो, और लेकिन काम सारे के सारे फिनिश कर देता है on the time.
I think it's been 9 years. I was in school and he was this one typical boy, bas idhar gedi maar lo, udhar gedi maar lo.
So we have some mutual friends. So through them I get to know her. So and we became friends.
And he used to throw his phone through the school, the wall grills.
She didn't have a cell phone at that time. And I used to send her a cell phone. And after an hour, she used to send me the cell phone back.
So my first cousin, he was going to England with a school trip. I went along with my Tayaji and Taiji to drop him to school. And Zorawar thought that I was going. And he followed up the cars up till the Rajpura, Ambala. And suddenly he got a call, oh, Suhab te ithe market fir rahi hai, it's not Suhab in the cars. He followed all the Jing Mang throughout. Just for looking, Suhab kithe, I can't see her in the car.
We love each other a lot, we fight a lot, everything.
It's very special that we fell in love or we met each other at such a young age. Now we know that what other person wants. I always wanted the bigger wedding. I don't want any gift, I don't want anything. I just want ceremonies and functions and loads of celebrations.
It was our amazing bridal shower. It was actually at my house.
The theme was Senorita. Zorawar decided on the theme. He suggested to keep the theme.
She is feeling on the top of the world because since her childhood, she always used to play as a bride, and now she's there.
like we were together in college, and finally the day has come. It's a mehndi, dance and bangles and everything. I guess it's a very fun-loving mood right now.
मेरी एक बेटी है यार, उसके लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। आज एक पंजाबी ट्रेडिशन है, लड़की के नाना की फैमिली आती है और उसके हाथ में एक डंडा सा होता है, घुंघरू बंधे होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं बब्बीहा बोलना, बब्बीहा बुलाना। वो आएंगे शायद करीब शाम को।
So they all come to your place and first they announce that yes, we're here and we're better than you guys and thode tak aur kuch bhi nahi hai. So we're the superior ones. And then the dadkas and the nankas have a little tussle there. So they sing folk songs to each other in answer to whatever the other is saying. And then the mummy, she takes the jago around the town.
The function that we're gonna do is gonna be a lady Sangeet Kama Jago. It's full of tradition. It's all about the bride and the bride's family. It's supposed to be a very teasing sort of couple of hours of doing traditional stuff with your family, with your friends, and then a big night of dance.
Oh my god, I am overwhelmed. Do you see that? It's absolute madness. It's bringing out the Punjabi in me. I'm absolutely loving it and I'm going to rock this party. Wait and watch.
So the task that I've assigned Jay is to dance on my favorite song, Gippy Garewal, on the stage with him while he's performing.
And that's a tough task, but I'm going to organize it because she's given it to me.
So Darpan is organizing my entry to the reception. Why? Because I think she knows what I want. I want it to be special. Of course, I want everybody's attention.
It's gonna be their first big party as a couple, so it has to be very, very grand. So the pressure's on me, definitely.
I have given him the responsibility to save my duty.
अगर हमने जुत्ती छुपा ली, बचा ली, तो we are winners. अगर नहीं बचा पाए, तो we are the losers.
So tomorrow it is the first day of a new life, and he is preparing games for us. And that is also a tradition in Punjab.
मैं brother हूँ उसका, भी मैं अच्छी तरह arrange कर दूँगा, like पता है उसको भी कैसे करना है वो.
When we started planning the wedding, I think about in summers. Sohab was like, "Hey mom," she just came downstairs running from her room, and me and my mother were sitting, and she was like, "Mom, I saw this lehenga, and look at this, Anita Dongre."
When I planned my wedding, 3-4 months ago, we started planning it. This was the first task or the thing we have to do.
Buy the outfit.
Buy the outfit, yeah. We came here for the reception outfit. So she had a dream of wearing this Anita Dongre lehenga. When we entered and when she finally saw the lehenga. This is the one.
That's the one. Yeah.
Finally, huh? And I was like so happy and I couldn't express that. It is a dream come true.
We were one happy couple after we saw the lehenga in the store.
Hey, you're there. Hi, Zoravar.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Good, ma'am.
What does Sohab mean?
It means the perfect lady.
Oh wow.
It's from the Guru Granth Sahib.
So Zorawar, what are we discussing today?
We are here for our reception.
Yes.
My clothes are they're already finalized. My mom and dad, we have this very traditional thing.
Okay.
My father, grandfather, we have this achkan, so I'm wearing that. But we are here for Suhab's dream.
So this is the lehenga, and while walking in, I just saw it on the mannequin. I loved it.
Oh yes, it's really pretty, and you're really fair. You've got a really peaches and cream complexion. Huh?
Thank you, but that's
It's
also
beautiful.
makeup.
No, I don't think that's makeup. I can tell if it's makeup. You've got an amazing complexion.
And now that she's blushing, is even more red, right?
Yeah, makeup can't make you look like this. This is a stunning piece, and yes, I do have it. Would you like to actually... You've seen it outside, but I want you to try it on now. I'm going to bring it here. Actually, I've never met a bride like Sohab who actually knew exactly what she wanted. She'd already seen the picture, I think, on Instagram. She'd seen the lehenga, and she knew exactly that's what she wanted to wear. I'm going to show you the piece, and then, of course, it'll be customized for you. So have a look and let me know what all changes you want. Sure. Can we have the piece, please? Thank you, Derna. There it is.
I love it. It looks amazing.
I want you to wear it, and then I want to see what we can do.
We didn't really need any changes in the outfit. It was perfect. It's just that it would be really cold in the wedding, during the wedding, at the wedding time. So I wanted to add sleeves.
So yes, I'll sketch that out for you. We'll sketch out a choli with a nice low neck. I want to understand the jewelry you're wearing too. We'll give you sleeves and we'll go longer on the length. We'll work with the lehenga beautifully. Thank you, Dilna.
So Zorawar, Suhab, it's your wedding, right? Yeah. Your clothes are decided. So what is this kebab mein haddi doing here?
Why are you calling him a kebab mein haddi?
Look at him, he's a big haddi. Look at him.
We always take each other's opinions, and I wanted him to be here while I buy the big dress.
Jay is a really nice, tall, good-looking brother that she has. So should we put you in stark black?
Yeah, sure.
Huh?
That sounds nice. Anita chose a black dress for me, and was the thing she said was when she saw me, she saw black.
He's wearing black and she's wearing a pastel shade.
Yeah.
And Punjab being place with loud colors.
Well, I think Punjab being this land of color, I'm expecting all the guests to be in bright colors, but I love the fact that Sohab has chosen this beautiful pastel pink. And for me, the color should really work on her complexion, and I think nobody can carry off this shade of pink as well as her. Look at her cheeks.
Yeah.
That's, So I think she'll stand out in that sea of bright colors, and I think vintage colors she'll just hold her own there. In fact, she will just look beautiful in that color. I'm very confident of how she'll look. Yeah. And him, I'm just imagining him in stark black. It's going to look really handsome.
I'm sure he'll look good in anything.
Yeah, he looks good in anything.
Yeah, that's completely true.
Just like me, man.
It's formal, it's his sister's reception. Yeah. I think black.
So all couples are different, obviously, and the brides, they all come up with different wants and demands because all of them want to look exquisite on their wedding day. But I think Anita has been gracious enough to accommodate all their needs and still give them what they want. Suhab, what about your best friend Darpan? She's not in India, right?
She's not in India. She is coming 2 days before the wedding starts.
Okay.
I also want her outfit from Anita Dobre, if that can be done. She would look good in black. I mean, it's up to you, I think.
So let's have your brother and your best friend both in black next to you.
That.
That would be nice, no?
Yeah.
They're the two people closest to you on your big day.
Yeah.
Even I'm wearing black.
Yes.
So I'll stand out.
Those are her, you're the future. She's going to spend the rest of her life with you now.
You'll be a black knight. All the best, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful wedding and a beautiful reception.
So I hope we'll see you there.
Yeah, unfortunately not. I won't be able to attend the wedding, but I guess Harleen will be having all the fun.
Yeah. This sounds like one wedding I would have loved to be there.
Harleen is a Sardarni. Fake Sardarni because she's from Bombay, and she has forbidden me to go to Punjab because she wants to grab all the attention for herself. So I am left behind in Bombay searching for more weddings to crash. Yeah, even she'll be missing all the Patiala pegs.
I believe he's in love with her since he's 15 and has been following her ever since his school days. I think that's amazing. It's really so charming. So it's a romance that's been going on for really long.
And I pray and I hope and I wish for them all the happiness in the coming years, and may they stay as in love with each other as they are today.
When I was younger, right, I used to imagine my wedding. I never thought of my bride. I always used to imagine Gurdas Mann performing.
मान साहब ने इतना बहुत बढ़िया फन लगा दिया ना, बहुत ही मजा आया कल में, बहुत ज्यादा फन हुआ।